So today's outfit is super cute. So day 3 in Valencia actually has no plans. I was supposed to do a beach day, but then I went to the beach yesterday and it didn't seem like there was much to do there. I was hoping to get like a beach club vibe or like something so I could chill at, like by a pool, and then also go into the sea and maybe like just lounge on the beach, but I didn't really see much of that, so that was a bit of a bummer. But that's okay. I'm gonna go out now, explore. I found a little town called Saplaya. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'm gonna go for breakfast now and then I guess see where the road takes me. I also want to try out this market that I saw on TikTok, Mercado Central. So I'm hoping to get some paella there because I haven't been able to get paella anywhere because they only serve them in 2 or for 2 people, and well, I'm 1, so it's okay. Let's go explore some more Valencia. So I'm literally just walking down the street trying to find a place for breakfast. Another place I saw on TikTok. So we'll see if it lives up to the hype, I guess. But yeah, let's see. You guys can't even see me. Let's see. So guys, I'm at Dulce de Leche. Please just look at all this food. Let me turn my camera. How gorgeous is this? Featuring my cute bag. Oh my gosh. That time all of this is €9. Will I finish it? Probably not. The orange juice, guys, fresh. I don't know if they gave me sweet now. They said sucre, and I was like, no. So I'm hoping this is the right thing. I don't even know where to start. I asked for Robo's tea as well. It was like a whole brunch menu thing. So I was like, it's better than choosing a bunch of random things and it coming to a more expensive price. Let's maybe just start with this. Although I think it's honey at the bottom, which is a no. It's so good. Should we try a croissant? So fresh. Guys, I'm seeing egg, bacon, apple. Let's just mush it down. It's just so good. Guys, I don't think I'll get over the fact that my name is literally everywhere. Guys, this is unreal. Genuinely unreal. I think I'm in love with Spain. Oh, Valencia. Sure. Like, I mean, just look at this. Look at this. What? So I came to the market. It's noisy. I hope you can hear me. I was supposed to try the horchata yesterday with the farton. So I got a farton now. It's bread with icing. At least that's what it tastes like. Literally a food and everything market. Fruits. These fruits look fresh. Even these veggies, oh, a dream. I need to find this in London, like ASAP. ASAP, bro. Ooh, there's some stuff. So I'm trying churros and chocolate. Guys, this chocolate is so thick. Please look. So sweet. Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Guys, the foodie in me. So guys, I had churros there. Then I just found this place with paella. So we're definitely having paella and agua de Valencia. I will show you guys what it is shortly. So guys, I'm finally trying paella valenciana and agua de Valencia. Right here. So we're trying agua de Valencia. Let's try this paella. It's actually really good. So I just did some mandatory shopping at Mercado Central, or at least shops around it. And now we're finally going to go to Port Saplaya. I've just been I was just really enjoying myself and like being in the moment. And guys, the city makes me so happy. I don't know if it's Spain, I don't know if it's because I'm in Valencia, but this solo location is going better than I could have ever expected. Like, I'm having such a good time. I can't actually believe it. Like, highly recommend it if you can. So guys, a must do is to
turn left onto car at Trafalgar.
Rent a bike. So I'm going to rent a bike. I'm scared because I haven't ridden a bike in so long. If I could actually get an e-scooter, that would be perfect. So let's see how this goes. So I'm totally freaking out. This is the bike. Can I use this? I don't know. Let's go. Guys, I'm riding a bike. Oh my gosh. Guys, I rode so far for this. What? It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So I rode a bike 7 kilometers for Port Saplaya. Look how pretty it is. This is definitely worth it. All these cute colored houses. I have a bike and I can't actually see a thing. So I hope this recorded something worthwhile. This is me telling you guys, don't ride and snap. I'm on my bicycle. I promise I can ride. Although it did start off like this, But we got progress. I rode the whole way. I just can't hold my phone is the problem. And then y'all are gonna fall. You guys can look at the sky. Oh guys, please look. I can't actually believe it. Dolce fa niente. Guys, this is perfect. Perfect. It's 7 kilometers there and back. So that's 14. And my legs hurt. What was I thinking? So I'm returning the bike now. I think I used it for like 2 hours. My bum hurts. We got in an accident. I don't even know how I got in the accident. I just remember I was trying to turn onto something and then I couldn't turn. And then like I think there was a bit of curb on the road and I basically hit the curb instead of going over it. So, and then like yeah, my bike almost fell. I almost fell. My phone flew. At least we're all here in one piece. Quick outfit change. These are my shoes. We're going on a sunset cruise, so I wanted different pictures. And yeah, I just wanted to be more covered, so hence the top. And yeah, I'm excited for it. I think this also gives me like beachy vibes, not beachy but like cruise vibes. I did also have to go fetch jackets. I had to go home. I'm wondering if I'm gonna get there in time because I'm waiting for the bus. Today's the last day of me using my tourist card. But yeah, I can feel that I'm tired, so tonight's sleep is gonna bang. But I have an early morning tomorrow because I have some activities planned, which is so exciting. But yeah, we'll see what's next. Going on a cruise. Made it.
Holla, hier ist perfekt. Das ist überragend. Richtig geil.
Jetzt kommt noch jemand passiert. Ruf. Dazu ein Glas Eis Imperial mit Orange.
And that's a sunset. Morning guys. So I didn't have time to give an update in my hotel room because I'm running a bit late. I'm trying to get a bus so that I can go to this cool little experience thing I found on Airbnb. And actually, let me cross the road. Sorry, I didn't want to cross the road and look at my phone because it wasn't green yet. So I was like taking chances. Anyways, yes. I found this experience on Airbnb where they take you to like hot springs and a waterfall. So I thought that would be really cool to just do on my last day, get some water activities in. Hopefully I get in the water. I've just been wanting to swim for so long, and with the beach being so cold, and I mean granted the sun is out, but it's not like flipping hot, like blazing hot. That is like, okay, I'm getting in the water, you know. So yeah, I guess that's the disadvantage of coming in May, although the advantage is it's not as full as it would be in the peak summertime. So yeah, sorry, just crossing another street, and now we go. Hopefully I get to a pickup point, and hopefully I find something to eat there. I did want to go out for breakfast today, but things just took longer than expected today. But yeah, Spanish flag is proof of visit. This is my cute dress from Primark, and shoes are all from Shein. Stay tuned. So we're in the bus now, minivan. Ready to go. Pickup was right in front of the station, so yeah. I got a little, I don't know if it's ham, I don't know, something, and cheese, and then I got like a croissant, a chocolate. It's more like a mini chocolate croissant, although looks like the chocolate flakes fell off. I also got some orange juice, and they literally pressed it right in front of me. I wanted to take a video, but I thought it'd be weird to take a video of someone obviously without their consent. So it was just quite cool that it's always freshly pressed. Like, I don't think I can go back home and like just drink normal juice. It needs to be freshly pressed. But yeah,
We'll see how the landscape changes, as I told you before. It is 1 kilometer length. Yeah. It's more.
so we're at the first stop thing, kind of. I don't know. Apparently we're going to see a waterfall. So we made it. It's frozen. It's freezing cold. Guys, that was so flipping cool. I was actually really scared, but I'm glad that I did it and got close to the waterfall. It's so mighty and like strong, like you can feel the wind, and it's cold, but it's beautiful. Oh, 10 out of 10 recommend, guys. So we're now at our second stop, El Baño, the Fuente de Baños. That's where the hot springs are. Keen to get some splashy splash. No, I think. Oh, let me try. Yeah, this is nice. Guys, I made it to the hot springs. It's not actually that hot. There's like cold and warm water coming in. But yeah, I also managed to jump off a cliff. So this is really exciting. I'm so glad I did it. So we just finished at the hot springs.
Like, really? Are you kidding me?
Or the, I don't even know what to call it. life-changing is all I can say. I'm so proud of myself. I feel like I conquered a fear.
I felt myself already.
So we're in a town called Montanejos. I think it means in between mountains. Guys, the sole location is everything I needed and more. You know, I was actually really scared to like book everything. But the thing is, you know, I guess sometimes you can't wait for people before you do things, and this was always on my list. So I'm just glad that I just like, well, not I just, my partner and I were like, we're doing this. So I booked it and now I'm here and life is great. Life is great.
That we missed it. That we missed it. The dam. You went on.
Wow. The dam that eventually fed into the hot spring that we were swimming in. That's why it made it cold. Now I don't know where we're going, but we're taking a walk.
And if you go in front, please don't fall.
So that is a jet that is used for emergencies. That one generates electricity. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See guys, that's why I don't play with water. This thing is powerful. Oh my gosh, and it's cold. Yeah. Guys. What? Oh my gosh. Are they going in? Oh my gosh. Well, now, this has all been really cool. I guess when they say experiences by the locals, like it's a yes from me, because look at this. Can't even capture it all. Gosh. Guys. Oh my god. Look at how fast it just shot. Scary. It's scary. Spotted a rainbow. Perfect ending to a perfect trip.
It's like sandy dam. And 50 years ago, there used to be a town here, down here.
Oh,
Yes, you can see the picture on this side. Right? But when back in the 70s, they needed to create a power system to generate electricity and also to irrigate the fields. So they were just looking for a good place, and this happened to be the best spot. So cost benefit, they just demolished the whole town
so this is our final stop. So this dam somehow feeds into the jet, that somehow feeds into the river that we swam in, with the hot springs. And look, people are being cute there. And then I spotted a transformer. So personally, it just felt wrong not to have gelato. Don't ask me why, because I think gelato is Italian. So I went to this place, Gelato La Romana. Got pistachio and lemon. I don't know, I started liking pistachio and then I like lemon because it's fresh. So yeah. We did it. We did a successful location. I'm now actually about to check out of my hotel. My flight is at 11, so obviously I need to be there early. I'm leaving what I budgeted for, but I don't like leaving or getting to the airport 2 hours before you get there. Just because you don't know, like with COVID, things will just take so much longer. And there might be delays and stuff, or I don't know, just gives me anxiety, so I try to be there early. So it's currently 10 to 8 and it takes 49 minutes to get to the airport. So I want to see if I could just grab like an orange juice somewhere, my last orange juice, and then head out. But let's go. Because I'm leaving, I had to spend myself one more time. It's so cute. So cute. So I got my zumo de naranja successfully ordered, and then I also got uno bagel. Yeah. Oh, it's falling apart. Yeah. Huevo your torchino, I think that's right. Anyways, it's falling apart, so I'm gonna have to eat it soon. Hopefully I can eat it in the bus. I just see I don't actually have serviettes. But yeah, felt like I needed just one more. Based on the way it's going, I'm gonna be at the airport by 9, which is okay. It's 2 hours and 10 minutes before my flight. Should be enough time. I'm trying not to be like anxious about it. It is enough time. But yeah, it's a pretty day. Sad to be leaving, but like I had so much fun this trip, and like I'm okay with it coming to an end, and for some reason I feel like I'm gonna be back. That makes sense. So it's okay. This is not like goodbye. This is like I'll be back. See you now, you know. So yeah.